Profitable products on Amazon is a blend of research and strategy. Here are some points that will help you to find the best product on Amazon. So you need to pick a niche or category where there's demand but potentially less competition. Look for products with good sales history but not oversaturated. Explore high demand items, the products that people actively search for. Trendy or seasonal items can be profitable if you launch them in the right time, but that's not recommended in the long run because they lose the demand after a certain period of time. And you need to seek products with low competition, but of course with the higher and healthy profit margins. And we love Evergreen products. These are the products that remain in demand throughout the year. This could be your everyday items or essentials that people regularly purchase, such as your home and kitchen products. And you need to always look for products with some sort of uniqueness. These products can be anything that is differentiate from other products, so you need to pick a differentiating factor from your competitors. This can attract customers even in competitive markets. We normally find unique selling point in all the products that we launch on Amazon. Remember, finding the most profitable products involved research, understanding customer needs, and staying adaptable to market changes. And stay tuned for more Amazon FBA tips.